Today, I have a 220 volt storage and power supply. Then it breaks down the BMS circuit in the battery block. Now I'm going to remove it and replace it with another BMS circuit. I've already removed it. It's just like this. Here, I've removed the entire circuit breaker. It only keeps one battery block. This is its battery block. There's 15 batteries here. Square. Here, now I'm going to circuit BMS for these 15 batteries. Here is the pole. Negative, and this is positive. I use the BMS circuit of JBD that has the app connected to the phone. First, connect the load wire B_. Sound of the battery. Then, I'm going to weld the balance wires. Small balance wires like this, from B0, B1, B2 up to B15. The first is to weld this black wire. This black wire, its vacuum BO voltage 0 volts. Next, wire. Next to this black wire, it's going to be a B1 wire. We're going to go into 3.2 volts. Here's the iron phosphate battery. Here's going to weld into B1 like this. The next wire, it's B2 wire. It's going to be 6.4 volts. Take turns like this. We're going to fight until the end because there are 15 batteries, but here it is this wire that it has. Since it's an 18-string 17 system, there will be 2 extra strings. This last string forces it to enter the anode, B15. And these 2 wires, these 2 extra wires. Then we're going to fight the B14 anode. This is B14, which is this wire. That's it. We will fight together here. I'll plug it in when the balance is done. Into the BMS circuit. Here it has the temperature sensors. In order for the circuit to work, we need to install the app. I'll get the phone too. Install the app via to QR codes. First, we're going to install this app. Then install the next app. There are 2 apps here. OK. Once the app is installed, I will install it. Here it will have full display of parameters. Discharge current voltage and charging voltage of each cell. Low and high voltage cells. There are 15 here. Then it shows all the parameters of those pellets. This is the normal state. This is its charger. It's not in yet. When I plug it in, the light goes red. So this one, it's currently charging and the current is here. The current charging specification is 4.9A, that's correct. Then here it has the charging discharge balance settings. Here I will set the capacity of the battery. Total number of battery cells. Full set of basic parameters for us to set up. Here I can monitor the voltage of the cell, its uniformity. So this circuit is done.